This is a blue monk. In Swahili is known as kima. In scientific name is known as Thecopithecus smithis. For other names known as sky monk. It is one among the species which found in Thecopithecidae family, a family for monk and baboon, which is one among the 3 families which found in order primate, an order for grasping finger mammals, which is one among the 9 orders which found in subclass Eutheria, a subclass for placental mammals. It's adiomed monk with a black or blue, and some population inhabit in Kenyan forest. The weight average is from 4 up to 9 kilograms. I mean, female are smaller than male, male are larger than female. Within their eyebrow there is a white color. They have the tail which they use as a hand. Also, they found in East Africa, especially in forest. They inhabit in, they share habitat with the black and white colobus monk, also red colobus monk. They found in, they are diurnal. They make their activities at daytime. They feed on, they are herbivora. They feed on foliage, I mean fruit, this maize. They are herbivora. They do feed as well from hand to mouth as a human being by using their hand. Also they do live in group. The group is known as troop. Within the troop they may either 10 up to 50 members. Within the group there is probably they form alliance, the cooperation. That's why the group is known as a troop. And within the troop there is some male, some adult male which possess a harem. I mean, one male with several females. They use their canal teeth and their finger as well to fight against harem. As you know that you're supposed to be strong. So the strong one has a harem, while others haven't, because they are not strong. They are not strong. Also, they do communicate within the group through the verbal posture. I mean, they use armpit gland to communicate. They communicate as well. If there is danger, they may know and tell each other. Then they run. Also, if they can attack, they attack by using their hand. If the female is in estrus within the group, produce some secretion which come out with, urine, and the labia and the surrounding skin become full swollen. So it's either the male want to know this female is in estrus, because the female will do some display. I mean, the female will set his leg in male vent. I mean, the female will set his leg in between the leg of the male one. So the male will know this female is do display. It's a special kind of signal. Then they mate. They can mate ventral to ventral or ventral to dorsal. Because the female one is in estrus, must be get a pregnancy, as you know that to be on heat. I mean, if you are in estrus, it means you are in a successful fertilization. so it's easier to get pregnant. So the female must be get pregnant. Will lay will carry offspring as well for 6 months. I mean the gestation period is 6 months. After 6 months, the female will give birth in tree because the offspring are precocious. So it's not easy them to fall down. They give birth in tree as well, and they feed their offspring as well. The offspring suckle his mother milk from the teat. Also the female one care his child as well, I mean his offspring as well. Up to 3 or 6 months the offspring will know how to escape the dangers, know how to feed and so forth. The female mature after 1 year, while the male mature after 1 year and a half. And the problem which faces them is the problem of genital disease, because they do they do sexual intercourse for leisure. That's why they are attacked by this disease. Also the problem which faces them is the problem of those leopard. The leopard do kill them for the purpose of food. As you know that leopard feed on meat. I mean they are carnivores. They feed on meat. So they feed on blue monk. So they are dangerous to them. Also another dangerous is those human beings, because they are farm destroyer. They destroy the farm of human beings. So the human being may kill them. One day I was asking the human being, why do you kill this animal? The human being tell me, this animal come to feed my maize, that's why I decide to kill it. So this is not good, as you know that this animal can't dig within the forest. So we are supposed to give them food, as you so in order to protect them, because they are good in our country. If they will escape those dangers, they may live up to 15 years. So the longevity, I mean the lifespan is 16 years. I'm going to explain another animal, so please listen. This is a black and white colobus monk. It's one among the animals which found in Thecopithecidae family, the family for monk and baboon, which is one among the 3 families which found in order primate, an order for grasping finger mammals, which is one among the 9 orders which found in a subclass Eutheria, a subclass for placental mammals. It is a special kind of monk because it's not vermin. They are thumb mutilated, hence the name colobus. Also their name black and white colobus monk is because they have a black color. The whole body is black with a white ear which run from the top of the head to the tail. They first draw a U shape. That's why they known as a black and white colobus monk. They inhabit in a forest. They can leave the place which is inaccessible for other primates. So they are pure arboreal. They climb the tree as well by using their hand. Also by using when they fall down, they use the tail as a hand. So it's difficult for them to fall down. Also it has a pink face. with a white fur, I mean eyebrow are white. Also, they live in a thick forest. They share habitat with blue monk. They do their activity at daytime. They are diurnal. They feed on leaves. This fruit, they can feed poison plant. I mean, they are ruminants. They have 4 chambers. They can feed on poison poison plant, also poison this poison berries, also poison fruit, because they have enzymes. They have a microorganism. The microorganism do destroy the poison within the stomach, so it's not easy them to affect it. They feed as well by using their hand. They feed from hand to mouth. Also, they are gregarious. They do live in group. The group is known as a troop. Also, within the group there is some harem. I mean, those adult male possess harem. They do fight to get harem. They fight by using their talents and their hand to fight. They communicate within the group by produce some sound. Also, by verbal pasture, I mean they use a body pasture. Also, they use armpit gland as well to communicate. If there is danger, they may know. They can run by using their foot. They run as well. And if the female is in estrus within the group, produce some secretion, the labia and the surrounding skin become swollen. Then the male one will know this female is in estrus through because the female will do display. So the male one is easy to know this female is in estrus. They mate ventral to dorsal, so ventral to ventral as human being, because they can mate for leisure. And because the female is in estrus, to be on heat must be get a pregnancy. The female carries pregnancy up to 6 months. After 6 months, the female give birth in tree, because the offspring are precocious, so it's not easy them to fall down. They give birth in tree as well, and the female one carries child as well. I mean the child suckle. After 3 up to 6 months, the offspring know how to escape the dangers, how to run, how to feed, and so forth. Also, the female one mature after 1 year, while the male one mature after 1.5 years. As you know that the female mature first to avoid this interbreeding of brothers and sisters. As you know that when you interbreed with your brother, will get a young which are less. So they do so. This is a balance of nature. The problem which faces them is the problem of those carnivore, those leopard, because the leopard is in habit with them. They share habitat with leopard, so leopard kill them for the purpose of food. So they are prey of a leopard. As you know that prey is an animal that killed by another animal for food. So leopard kill them for food. Also, if they can escape those dangers, they may live up to 15 years. I mean, the longevity, the lifespan is 15 years. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I have done. Thank you very much.